Hey everyone, this is Christian DeBouche, licensed real estate agent and real broker, and I help families buy and sell their homes here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. If that's something that you might be interested in, or you're thinking about down the road about buying or selling your home, give me a call at 727-303-1521, or send me a DM on social media at CD Selling St. Pete. I'd love to have a conversation with you about it. Today I want to talk about strategies for selling your home. One of the things that buyers are typically worried about is working with an inexperienced agent. And granted, people are coming and going to the real estate market all the time, but one of the ways you can tell if you're dealing with someone that knows what they're talking about is if how they understand what's going on in the market. When you speak to or interview a real estate professional, they should be able to tell you with great detail how many houses sold in your neighborhood or your zip code this month, this week, what the prices were, how long they stayed on the market, etc. If you're noticing that you can ask these questions and you're not getting the answers you're expecting, perhaps you're not dealing with the person that you need to sell your home. If you're concerned about wanting to work with someone who has some experience and knows the market, I'm your guy. You can hit me up again, like I said, at 727-303-1521, or hit me up on social media at CD Selling St. Pete. Talk to you later.